Cheers, everybody. Welcome to another Saturday Night Live. Hey, it's Saturday night. If you're not going out to party, you might as well hang out and party with us here on the MTV Roadies Revolution live chat. Today, I'm going to be joined by other members of my team. If you watched the episode already tonight, this is going to be quite an interesting live session for you. अगर आपने ये episode देखा है तो आपको काफी मजा आएगा. अगर आपने आज का episode नहीं देखा है तो शायद आपको ये live नहीं देखना चाहिए क्योंकि काफी ज्यादा spoilers आपको मिलेंगे. So just think about it. We're gonna have fun. But if you haven't watched the episode, which is a smoking hot vote out episode, then you probably should not be watching this live. First, let's say hi to everybody over here. Pinto Jeevan says, hi, what's up? Anshu Kanwar, what's up? Arpit, Kritika, Anya, good to see you all here. If you have any comments, you can put them up, or any questions, you can put them up when we're going live. We'll try and answer them. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि हम ये एक question answer information service है. ये तो हम अपने मजे के लिए लाइव करते हैं. और मगर फिर भी अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल हो तो जरूर पूछिए. If we can answer it, we'll try and answer it. And I promise you, the next time I do a live, I've spoken to Instagram. The split screen rollout is going to be happening very soon for everyone. अभी फिलहाल मेरे पास नहीं है, मेरे अकाउंट पे नहीं है. काफ़ी लोगों के पास ये फीचर आ चुका है, मगर ये वाली फीचर कुछ ही टाइम में सबके लिए अवेलेबल होगा. And at that point in time, we are going to have lots of fun lives with everybody going in split screens as well. First, let's try and get with Arushi. I don't know whether she's here. Arushi, if you're here, give me a sign. Blink your eyes. Yes, you're here.
Hey!
जो यहाँ का पता नहीं नेटवर्क ठीक से मिल रहा है.
नहीं, नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है. आपका स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो गया है.
मेरा स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो गया. ठीक है. Better. We're gonna try and see if we can get some Wi-Fi going.
Got it.
This is better. Excellent. तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि जो आपके फोटोज खींचे हैं इस वोट आउट में, it's like आप तालियां बजा रही हैं, आप सब कुछ कर रही हैं, और एंड में आप संजय के साथ रन के साइड में खड़ी.
Kudos to Tejaswini for the great pictures, though.
Yes. Great pictures go with a great cup
Mug.
of gratitude.
Gift of gratitude. Thank you.
Listen, you better start paying me for all these free promos.
Account कितना सर पहुंच गया? 2 लाख तक something I think. I need to send
दो
a check.
पैसे भी नहीं पहुंचे. आप 2 लाख की बात कर रहे हो. 2 पैसे भी नहीं पहुंचे.
But that's your love. Thank you. I feel very proud and very happy when I see you holding that mug.
It's nice. I mean, it's अभी ये 8 बजे. It's not yet gin o'clock or beer o'clock, but it's still green tea o'clock. Listen,
Nice.
एक legitimate सवाल है. मैंने तो पिछले बार कह दिया कि जब हम एक्चुअली बास्केटबॉल के टास्क पे मैदान पे उतरे थे उस टाइम पे, and we had a great team together, and I told you guys that this is ours to lose. ज़्यादा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट मत होना क्योंकि ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस से बहुत कुछ खराब हो सकता है. And I've seen a lot of people lose that way. और जब प्रखर और तरन का वोट आउट हुआ था ना, I had actually got very confident in the head कि यार इसके आगे अगर आप परफॉर्म नहीं करोगे, आपके पास इम्यूनिटी नहीं है, तो बचना तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. So initially, of course, promo में हमने देखा था कि there going to be 2 people voted out, but we didn't know that in the beginning. So I thought कि अगर if there's one vote out, maybe something will happen, maybe both people will get saved. But when Run said कि 2 लोग जाएंगे ना, then I was like,
it has to be from Team Loyalty. True.
One of them, at least one of them will be from Team Loyalty. The only hope was when Pratibha was ejected from the show, that at that point in time, क्योंकि एक निकल चुके थे, whether only one person would get voted out, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. एक legitimate सवाल है, किसी ने पूछा है यहाँ पे कि आपने अच्छी तरह से planning क्यों नहीं? As in, you and Michael, why didn't you target somebody else? I want you to answer that question.
Okay, so honestly बोलूं तो उस समय after the basketball task a lot of people went to the hospital as they know, and after coming back from the hospital we weren't in that mindset of the game per se. We were all very we were broken, injured, and then the next morning we get up and we get the scroll of a vote out. So उस समय हम इतने ऑलरेडी शॉक में थे कि ये प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग वाली चीज हमारे दिमाग में आई नहीं, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकंड थिंग, कहीं ना कहीं एक था माइंड में कि वो लोग मेजोरिटी में है और नो मैटर हाउ मच वी ट्राई आवर नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज गोना बी लो एज
I agree
कंपेयर टू
with you.
दैट।
Because with three people on your side, let's say if Nisha also came to your side, if Aman came to your side, Shreya was very clearly not going to be on your side. He
तो
was
मैं एक
sitting up.
चीज ऑनेस्ट एक और चीज बोलूं, हम बार
Um,
बार निशा और अमन को बोलते हैं कि वो हमारी साइड पे थे, बट जेन्युइनली अगर हमको होता ना कि हाँ वी फाइव आर देयर, then probably we
नहीं
could
था
have
यार,
started
क्योंकि
thinking of something else,
इस बार भी
because it
अमन
was
ने अपना
never
अपना
clear
दिमाग
that they
इस्तेमाल
were on
करके
our
वोट किया है।
exactly, though
हाँ,
now
he played his own,
we're
he
still
played his
very
own
good,
game.
yes, we're still very good friends, but उस समय भी we three were always we three, there was nobody else who could say नहीं I am with you। तो एक वो भी था कि हम हमको कहीं और से कुछ सपोर्ट मिल ही नहीं रहा था।
Oh dear, and so here we are, sitting and having a chat. You know what the bigger problem is? Okay, not bigger problem. The following on problem. अभी आपके पास एक मौका है कि आप ये टास्क जीत जाओ, ठीक है? अगर आप टास्क जीत जाते हो तो दोबारा आप, क्योंकि पहले पहले भी एक बार आप वोट आउट हुए थे, आप वो टास्क जीत के वापस आए थे अंदर। यहाँ पर भी अगर आपको ये टास्क जीतना है तो आपको कुछ रोडीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी मदद के लिए। How many roadies are actually willing
Are
to help you
willing,
because most of them voted against you?
exactly, against me or against Michael,
Yeah.
so nobody I it's gonna be tricky as to whom I can trust or depend on to save me।
Well, you can't give away too much from next week, but that's a big, big question mark. Who can you trust? It's
True.
like,
Nobody।
Prakhar,
I think the promo
Prakhar
is
कुछ कह
out
रहा है एक
where
Prakhar is saying, hey Arushi, I would love to perform with you again and bring you back. Prakhar, chop! तू खुद eliminate हो गया।
स्वीट प्रखर था। आई एम श्योर इफ प्रखर एंड तरन वुड हैव बीन देयर, ये एक सेकंड के लिए भी नहीं सोचते कि हमको परफॉर्म करना है। जो लोग इतना बोलते हैं हम परफॉर्म करना है, किसी को परफॉर्म नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, सबको सिर्फ आगे बढ़ना है बिना परफॉर्म करे।
You know, Arushi, I'm sure this is all your fault. You did not break a coconut before coming to the reshoot. Really, everything seems to be aligned against you. Everything. Like, other people are getting stars and chances, you're not getting them. Your friends are getting voted out, you're not. You're not getting justice. I mean, like, ये
एंड
आपकी
व्हेन दे
ये
आर गेटिंग
नारियल
वोटेड
आपको
आउट
फोड़
देयर
के
इज
आना
नो
चाहिए था।
स्टार।
आपको नारियल फोड़ के आना चाहिए था, मैं कह रहा हूँ। This is all your fault. There is nobody
ट्रू,
to blame but you.
ट्रू।
So anyway, how are you spending your days now?
Days now, like there's a lot of
I
GOG
think
work.
gift of gratitude.
Yeah, a lot of that work is going on. Plus,
Okay.
I'm coming to Bombay this Monday for a good shoot. I won't reveal for what, but yeah, something like that।
Are you shooting for MTV Roadies?
No,
Have they
something
decided to give you
else।
another chance?
उनको मेरे पे दया आ गई होगी कि इस बेचारी के साथ बहुत बुरा किया हमने, लेट्स लाइक गिव हर बैक समथिंग। बट
No,
सिर्फ वो बात एक
मैं-
जगह
I,
है, लेकिन I'm still appreciating and loving the support that people are showing towards team loyalty।
oh, it's really crazy because ये जो team loyalty की जो बात आती है ना, and loyalty is loyalty, the slogan, ये पता नहीं कहाँ से snowball होने लग गई है, because it's not like I chose the team. This is not even my team. You guys chose me. आप दो
It's
चार
true।
लोग हैं, आप इकट्ठा हो गए, and you guys chose me, and somehow this has just become, and the support is really nice. और मैंने अपने ये रिव्यू में भी लिखा है कि यार there's a place for grace and dignity. Even in a dog eat dog world like Roadies, I think there's a place for grace and dignity. And the finest example I can give you is, Ranvijay and Prince. they will fight. You know, when they were leaders themselves, gang leaders, they would compete against each other like it was the only thing that mattered to them in the whole world. But there was a line that they would not cross ever,
True.
and it's an example that I think you can learn from. You can take and you can learn from. And it's kind of like that. जब हम दोनों frisbee भी खेलते हैं ना, you think Ranvijay gives me any extra points for being older than him, senior BJ, anything? It's like when we're both going for the same frisbee, we're going for the same frisbee, and he loved beating me. But then after he beats me, it's like, hey, we're still buddies. But that's the thing about being
True.
competitive. And at what point
It's being
in
competitive
time-
for the sport and not against in each other. It's for the sport.
So my question to you is, जैसे कि मैंने because you know शुरू में जब बास्केटबॉल के टास्क में मैंने कहा कि वरुण मैं आपके साथ पेयर अप करना चाहता हूँ, the objective was to try and extend an olive branch to Jayan, जो वरुण ने आपको दी, ठीक है? जब मैंने ज़बी को चूज किया था, I actually want to give him a chance to perform, मगर कहीं ना कहीं मैं ये भी सोचा था कि यार कहीं अगर you know if ज़बी appreciates this, कहीं ना कहीं वो बाद में मेरी भी मदद कर सकता है. But he was actually very clear कि निखिल सर यहाँ पे लोग इतना हेट करते हैं कि I can't take that chance. It was that serious. And every person that I asked would keep saying कि no. So at what point in time did you realize that Michael and you were in serious trouble?
I would say right before the lockdown we knew, but for this voter I
No,
think
इस vote में because I asked Shreya.
I
Shreya
think
said
जब
no,
आपने
don't choose me.
जब आपने Zabi, I think the first question you asked was to Zabi, and then
मैंने
Jayan.
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा मगर मैं ज़बी और जैन से ऑलमोस्ट एक ही टाइम पे
सिमिलर
पूछा था
टाइमिंग
कि
से पूछा था.
टीम अप
जयन तो कहीं ना कहीं हाँ जयन तो कहीं ना कहीं संजय ने पहले पकड़ लिया था. योर क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट वाज टू जबी आई थिंक. एंड जब उसने ना बोला आई वाज प्रीटी क्लियर कि जब आपके बोलने पे वो ना बोल रहा है एंड ही डजंट रियलाइज कि उसको टास्क पे नेहा मैम ने तो नो बोल दिया था क्योंकि रणविजय सर ने पहले नेहा मैम से पूछा था डू यू वांट जबी, शी सेड नो. तो उसको है ही नहीं कि मैं अब जहाँ मैं लीडर को बोला कि मुझे परफॉर्म करने का चांस था और अगर लीडर ने दिया है तो वी आर नॉट टारगेटिंग हिम, वी आर नॉट टारगेटिंग हिज ग्रुप, then he should have given a chance to us, to you, just taken his majority wala game plot a little
Yes and no.
sideway.
Yes and no. I'll put it I'll put it on the other side. Nobody wants to get voted out. Okay, nobody wants to get voted out, and I think that there genuinely was a doubt in Zabi's head, and I'll tell you how this plays itself out. Sanjay has been very close to his entire group, the group of 3 or the group of 6 or the group of 7, whatever you call it. Nobody thought twice. Nobody thought twice about saying,
तो go में
संजय तू
संजय
निकल क्योंकि हमें आरुषि को निकालना है. तू तो निकल, पहली फुर्सत में निकल. जब there was not even like मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. Oh, you know, I don't want to vote Sanjay out, but you know, maybe we can try.
They
some
don't
other
give
way.
a
No,
flying
yeah.
F for him.
But that's the thing. I mean, he's still in the game now, and he has to go and ask other people. And with what face is he going to ask people to help him? I don't know. कि यार मुझे help करो. वही लोग कह रहे हैं कि तू जा यार. तेरे से तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
And
So it's like it's a wake up call for a lot of people.
exactly.
And I'm sure Sanjay must be feeling terrible as well. I mean, nobody likes knowing that they are expendable, and that's pretty much what the roadies have told him. कि यार तू तो
I don't know if you watched Woot clippings where Zabi has clearly used, Zabi and Vipin have used people, like they've named them pawns. Like isko to kabhi bhi iska trust jeet and then we can like get rid of them. That's how their game plan has been throughout. Like take Sapna on your side, vote her out. Take somebody else on your side, vote her out. It's just how they play the game.
well, it's been
They,
successful for them so far.
but it's like using people. You make people believe that you are on their side and then using them and getting rid of them, which I don't appreciate. I don't respect that even for the game, not in life, especially not in life, but not even for the game. You don't make people believe.
Not in life, but
And not even.
I'll tell you what. Let me put the gun against myself this time.
Mm-hmm.
You can also argue that when I gave Zabi the chance to perform, and to actually prove him his value as a physical player, that somewhere in the back of my mind I was hoping that he would return this favor. Now, is that a way of using someone?
No, I would say similar thing happened with me and Varun sir as well. When he chose me and gave me immunity, thinking that Michael will choose Giant for the sword fight. It was the same thing. It's an unsaid deal that we do. Similarly, had Zabi respected your proposal, he should have. It's just selfish behavior, I think, sir. You can't really justify this. It's a selfish behavior.
Well, Arushi, if you're talking about selfish behavior, you're not going to like what I'm going to say next.
What?
Nothing is more
I know.
selfish than voting against your own team
We're,
member so that
we're
you
on to that.
survive.
We're on to that point now.
Yeah, but you really had. I mean, I would have done the same thing. I would have told. I value and appreciate both of you equally, and in that situation, I said, "Hey guys, all the best. One of you is going, and I can't pick and choose and say I want you to stay, I want you to stay, and eventually you had to play your own game." And I would have done the same thing if I was in your position, and if it was competition between, like I said, Frisbee, me, and Ranvijay. I want to beat him. You want?
True. And this is not. Yeah, Spain.
The internet is now doing funny
Yes,
things.
I can hear you clear, but I can't see you. Now, yes, now you got to go.
Yes. Someone saying Hamid is injured, so I have no idea who will perform with Arushi. Will you please tell? मैं
God
perform
will
करूंगा.
only answer.
मैं हूँ मैं. ये बुजुर्गों का जमाना
Our
है.
savior.
मैं perform करूंगा.
Only God can answer your question, and time will tell.
No. A lot of people can because the episodes have been shot. Not just God. Okay, listen, Arushi, I think I would love to take Michael on and get his opinion on this. The funny thing is, the whole loyalty is royalty thing stays because the four of us, the five of us, we're going to be loyal to each other as friends for forever. Hashtag
Hashtag.
forever. So
And I
in the
want to say
game,
too, yeah.
in the game, you had to do what you had to do to vote against Michael. Michael had to do what he had to do to vote against you. But it's one of these things. I think these experiences, along with experiences of going to music festivals together, are things that make you friends for life.
True.
So we've done one thing together. The next thing we all have to do
Wait for
together
the
is
second.
attend a music festival together.
Yes.
And then that'll be like friends for life. Okay, listen, I'm going to say bye now. And hopefully the next time we do a live, we'll do a split screen.
Can I say one thing?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, two. First, I want to mention this kid, Michael and I. I'm so happy that we understood each other's perspective, and we were great there. We are great now. Second thing I want to say is that I got a lot of messages from a lot of girls pointing out the majority of episode, the thing that it was on, about the violencing and all. So I am really, really happy as to how girls are responding to this and how they're sending out message ki now they have got this courage of standing against whatever wrong has happened or will happen in future. So I'm really glad about that.
I want to say one thing about it, Arushi. It was the manner in which you conducted yourself and placed your the way you placed your distress, what it was that distressed you, you weren't throwing a fit. You weren't being irrational. You were saying things that were rational. You were being talked down. You were being refuted by me, by Varun, sometimes by Rana, and by Neha as well. And you stood your ground and you put point and counterpoint. We discussed it, and eventually that led to the video review of what had happened.
And
And I
I'm
think a lot of people can learn from that. It's not just about
yes,
throwing a tantrum and saying, "Ye galat hai, ye kaise ho sakta hai." Just outraging is not the solution. But
and
putting your case forward and putting your case forward intelligently is what really impressed me about you.
And I'm glad that those who want to contest for this competition or any other thing in future will have this thing in mind that no matter if it's a physical task or be it anything, they need to keep this in mind that they cannot cross boundaries and they cannot go against the rules.
You
This
cannot
is
cross normal sporting rules because जैसे कि मैंने रिव्यू में भी कहा कि यार धक्का मुक्की नाखून खरोचना ये सब गलती में हो जाती है, ठीक है? फुटबॉल में भी देखो, there's an intentional handball, there's an accidental handball, right?
true.
And in that situation, both handballs are given penalty. So over there, it is the act of handball that is being penalized. Over here, it was not the act of the punch; it was the context of the punch that was being penalized.
True. They're
Like
both
when two
different.
people headbutt and they're going for the same ball and their heads collide, that is not a foul against either of them. But when Zinedine Zidane headbutted the French player, the other player, I forget his name, I forgot which country he's from. That was intentional. That was not on the ball. That was not during fighting for the ball. So the intent is very different. So the
True.
intent was what is penalized over here, not the act. Okay, we've taken up too much time.
Okay.
Let's say bye now and get Michael on.
Okay.
Okay?
Bye bye.
See you. Bye. That was Arushi. I hope. Now the thing was, Mike's internet is always a little bit suspect. We need to get Kevin on as well and Hamid as well. So we're gonna. Oh, we're searching for. Oh, there's Michael. For a change, Michael, are you there? That'd be lovely if he's there and the internet's working because at this time of the evening when everybody's going live and watching streaming things and yeah.
I'm
It's a little
back
bit
with my
tricky.
very
Waiting
sus
for
internet. What's up,
Michael
guys?
Ajay official.
How is it going?
Michael, are you there? We're still
Wait.
waiting. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. Really need to get this four-way thing going. Gonna cancel Michael and try adding you again. Mike, I'm gonna try adding you again. And if it doesn't work, then I'll come back to you in a while. Michael, there we go. Sending request. Then we get Kevin on, Ahmed on.
Oh, hey.
Yo, Mike, what's up?
What's up? I'm back with my super sus internet.
Oh man, hey, but the lighting looks actually very sort of studio model type. You're like,
Not really. I'm outside in the world. I'm just in a
but hey,
parking lot.
yeah, but that halfway lighting looked like really cool.
Yeah. But guys, in case everyone is wondering, me and Arushi had a fight. We hate each other. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Guys.
When did this happen? Okay, listen. Let's get straight into it. A lot of people are asking. Please tell us why you voted against each other. Arushi and I
Yeah.
discussed it in great detail, but I think a lot of people have just joined the live now. तो माइकल,
Yeah.
आप इस प्रश्न का जवाब देंगे शुद्ध हिंदी में और सिर्फ शुद्ध हिंदी में.
शुद्ध हिंदी में कोशिश करता हूँ. तो बाहर से नहीं दिखा होगा पर वहाँ बस टीम निखिल का इंटरनल वोट आउट चल रहा था बिकॉज आई मीन no one was in danger except us, man. Like it was very clear. So yeah, that's about it.
Samyukta Hegde is also online. She's also asking why did you vote each other out? I can say it in English. आपकी
Yep.
हिंदी तो पूरी फेल हो गई. आपको 100 में से 3 मार्क मिले. 3, सिर्फ 3.
Yeah.
Okay, say it in English. Why do you guys vote for each other?
So see, the thing is, what was happening was it was very evident that it was going to be an internal vote out over there. It was either going to be me or Arushi. Like there was no doubt about it. So the thing is, like, you know what? Both me and Arushi are smart people. We are not going to be there and waste our votes for no reason, right? So yeah, so we have no bad blood between us at all. We absolutely understand why it had to be done. It was just the situation.
It was
Like
just,
we,
for me, it was, I could see it happening, unfolding in front of me, and it was heartbreaking. I don't know who was going to get how many votes because I asked Jayant, I said, Jayant, please, या तो Michael या Arushi के साथ pair up हो जाओ. And then Vipin was telling Jayant, don't make the wrong move, don't make the wrong move. Sanjay had come and grabbed Jayant, and then Abhimanyu came and said, you stand with me. Then I asked Zabi as well, Zabi, can you pair up with one of my team members? And Zabi also said, Nikhil sir, I have to think for myself. And I asked him, I said, do you think that the hate for some people over here is greater than the love that your friends have for you? And he said, yeah, I think so. I think it
Yeah.
is. And then
Yeah.
फिर मैंने श्रेया से भी कहा कि श्रेया के पास 2 वोट थे, मैंने कहा कि श्रेया, I hope you'll support us. और श्रेया ने said, how can you expect things from me because you didn't pick me in the brawl task. And I said, मेरा वहाँ पे expectation का एक वहाँ पे dialogue शुरू हो गया. And it
Yeah.
became very clear that it was going to be between you guys. So it was like being in a competition. It was like a mini finale between you and Arushi. And
Yeah,
one of you guys
exactly.
was going to survive, and the other
Exactly.
one was.
And you know what? Samyukta just had a question in the comments. She was like, what is the whole point of loyalty is royalty if this was the scene? See, you know what? When it came down to us, if it was me versus Arushi in the finals, right? We wouldn't disrespect each other by losing on purpose, right? Because you know what? Because that is like treating the other person as they're not even an opponent. So that's not something which I like to do. So in this situation, it was something like that. It was me versus her. It has to come down to survival. Like and like I mean, we are not there to be martyrs after all. Like that's about it.
It
I don't know. I
eventually
hope
did.
that answers your
It
question.
eventually did come down to survival. It was either what I was hoping and praying for, man, because Mike, when Run said that you guys have to pair up, and I was like, holy shit! If Mike and Arushi pair up together, it's like game over. Boom! Like my whole
Yeah.
team getting wiped out. Like that.
Yeah. Yeah. If it was me and
That
Arushi
was
paired
like.
up, then that's it. It would have been the end of story.
At least
Legit.
now Arushi's got a fighting chance. I mean, she still has to beat Sanjay, but she's got a fighting chance. But
Yeah.
if you and Arushi had teamed up, that was it. That was like boom. We know where all the votes would have gone.
Yeah. Yeah. If me and Arushi had paired up, it was. But it wasn't the finale. You guys could have wasted 2 votes. I mean, anything could have happened. See, the thing is, Sam, from the outside, it looks like anything could have happened. But then from the inside,
Okay.
we knew exactly what was happening. We knew
Let's play this
exactly
out.
what was happening.
Let's play this out, okay? Let's say
Yeah.
that you wasted your vote and Arushi
Yeah.
wasted her vote.
Yeah.
Okay? Besides a few people saying, well done, you're so loyal to each other, the result would
Yeah.
have been the same.
The result would have been the same. That's
Why
it.
would you not fight till the last ball is bowled? Why would you not try your best to survive when you know that the survival is between you and your team member? Why would you just say, like, for example, it's like Run says, अभी आप दोनों में से किसी एक को घर जाना है, okay, between you and Arushi. You guys will fight to stay. You're not going to leave it up to the other roadies and say, no, let everybody else decide whatever they say.
Decide. Yeah. Yeah.
You're not going to say whatever
Exactly.
they say. नहीं, I can't say anything against Arushi. ये तो मेरी team member है. Arushi कहेगी, I can't say anything. No, you'll say no, man. I want to stay.
Yeah.
I
Exactly.
want to stay. I'm not going to leave it up to anybody else. I'm going to fight to stay.
Yeah, exactly. And the thing is, see, we understand, and you know what? Whatever was done between me and Arushi, it was absolutely done with mutual respect. And like, you know what? That is not something I can say of a lot of other people.
I'm not saying anything,
Shots
man.
fired.
I'm not saying anything. Hey, by the way, Sam, if you're
Fired.
around and you want to discuss this, Samyukta, if you're around and want to discuss this, I'd love to take you live after Mike and I finish. So if you're going to be around for a bit, hang on. It'd be great to go live with you. But Mike, there
Yeah.
was a question when Arushi and I were going live. किसी ने पूछा था कि यार ये आप पहले से planning plotting नहीं करके आ सकते थे? Couldn't you have convinced Akash? Couldn't you have convinced a few other people to be with you? And I saw a Voot clip where Arushi is talking to them and saying, keep in mind कि गेम में क्या क्या हुआ है, किसने किस तरीके से बिहेव किया है, और उसको सोचते हुए प्लीज अगर वोटिंग होता है तो यहाँ पे उस हिसाब से वोट डालिए. And if you look
Yeah.
at everybody's faces when Arushi is talking, nobody
They're blank.
gives what she's saying.
Yeah.
Nobody
Yeah.
gives.
No one can. So you see, because the thing is, these guys, they were hiding. All 12 of them, they were hiding among themselves. They know that if they open their mouth, that they will be voted out within themselves. They know this. So, like, no matter what opinions they had, they couldn't say it out because because then they would become separate from the group. So yeah, that's how they chose to do it.
Well, let's see what happens next week. I haven't seen the. Have you seen the promo for next week? Because they only show the. They don't show the promo on Voot. I watched it on Voot last night.
Yeah, even
So
I watched it on Voot. So I always wait for the fan pages to post those promos.
after we finish going live, we'll go check out the fan pages. Okay, Mike, I'm going to say bye to you. It's been
All right
great
then,
chatting
Nikhil.
with you.
Yeah,
Good to
great
have you
as
still back in
always.
Team Nikhil.
Yes, Team Nikhil is what we're calling it now for the next week.
Take it easy, man.
All right then.
See
Take it
you. See
easy,
you in a bit.
Nikhil. Bye. Cheers.
Samyukta Hegde, if you're going to be around for a bit, it'd be lovely to go live with you. I'm just going to try and see if you are around. Otherwise, we're going to take Kevin and Hamid online as well. Is Samyukta Hegde there? We're going to try. Sam, sending you a request. If you are able to go online, if you're not hula hooping, if you're not dancing up a storm somewhere, if you're not shuffling away to another sunset, hey, what's up?
Nothing much. I was just finishing dinner. I
Oh,
just
okay.
wanted to ask Michael, his one vote cancels Arushi's one vote out,
Yeah.
right? So there is no point voting each other out because it would have either been 4,
Nobody knew,
7 or 3. Sorry?
Sam, nobody knew which way the votes were going to go. Nobody, Michael
Sorry?
didn't know that Arushi was going to vote against him. And neither did Arushi know
No,
that Michael was
true,
going to vote
true.
against her.
No,
They were
true.
doing,
You're right.
they
Michael
were
didn't know that
doing
Arushi was going to
what they
vote
needed
against
to
him, and
do.
same other way around, I'm guessing, right?
Sorry, you talk, then I'll talk because this is like us.
Okay, so Michael didn't know that Arushi was gonna vote Michael out, and
Yeah.
Arushi didn't know that Michael was gonna vote her out, right?
Yeah. They were both
Yeah.
actually hoping there was an outside chance that because Pratibha already left, that only one person would get voted out
Right.
from that
So they
collective.
voted each other out.
Yeah.
What I am asking is, if all this time they kept saying loyalty is royalty, loyalty is royalty, when it came down to that, when it came down to saving your own ass, there was no loyalty is royalty, right?
There never will
One
be.
vote for them, one vote.
Sam,
Now,
there
now,
never will be. Sam,
sorry.
when you're in a finale situation, and this was in effect a finale because only one person could stay out of the two of them.
But it wasn't a finale situation, no, Nikhil.
It is.
It was they wasted
is.
2 votes. Now,
No, they
now
didn't.
2 votes.
They
If they
gave
both casted it to
themselves,
the same group,
Sam, they gave themselves the best chance of surviving because they knew that every single vote was going to be either against Arushi or Michael. The votes were not
no,
going to
I'm
go
not
anywhere
saying
else.
I'm not saying what they did is wrong. Okay, they see at the end of the day, roadies is about yourself. Roadies is about
Exactly.
saving yourself, surviving, and winning. Absolutely,
Exactly.
I agree. I agree to that. But what I'm saying is, when you keep saying repeatedly that you're for each other, and I have been
Yeah.
following them, so I have been following them as a team, right? So for me, for a viewer who was watching the show, it was shocking to see them
Yes.
vote each other. I was like,
Obviously.
what? Like, when I was counting votes like before the votes were shown. I was counting votes, thinking that okay, they both are going to vote for Zabi. Everybody is going to vote for Zabi and Poonam. And I counted like okay, 4, maybe 5 votes for Poonam and Zabi, including these 2 votes. But both of them. So don't you think somewhere, if it was a possibility, that Arushi had, I think 7. I think Arushi's group had some 7 or 8 votes. What if the second, now nobody knows what happens in a vote out after the votes are shown. Anything can happen. Like yesterday, she got a fighting chance. Great. But anything could have happened. What if they had said the top 4 people who were voted out have to do something?
No, because those things were cleared up. There are some things. Not everything is shown in every episode. Okay.
Of course. Been there,
The
done that.
play out was explained before the voting. So there were going to be no layers added on to this. And
Right.
the fact
So
that
a
the
lot
two
of
of
it
them
wasn't shown on
the fact
TV.
that the two of them were going to compete, whoever got voted out, that was also mentioned. That the two people who get voted, there will be a competition between you.
It is just that from a viewer's perspective,
It
It
is
was
toxic.
very heartbreaking. It was very heartbreaking to see Arushi write Michael's name and Michael write Arushi's name. That's all it is. Nothing else. I
Yeah,
mean, at the
I
end of
get
the day,
that.
it is personal survival, Nikhil. All of us know that. Everyone comes to win. But it was just so heartbreaking to see that.
That's the thing about roadies, Sam. You've been on the journey. You know how difficult some of the choices that you make on the show are.
So I know what it feels like to be there, and I know what it feels like to do what he did. So yeah,
Okay, I'll tell you what.
but again, having said that, Arushi, have to say this. Arushi is fire, fire. Like such an amazing. She's. I think this season will be remembered after her. I don't know who's gonna win, who's gonna lose, what's gonna happen. But you know, every season has like a couple of roadies that they remember from that season very distinctly. Arushi is definitely going to be one of them, and also she's so bold. Like she doesn't care about who it is. She's going to speak what is right, and she's going to stand by it. I
But
think I
Sam,
absolutely love that about her.
I think that's amazing as well. What's also brilliant is that she never says anything that is out of line. It's accurate and it's put forward firmly. She doesn't back down.
She's very and she's very like a strong woman. She knows what she's saying, and she's right at it. So respect
It's something
and
we
thank you for standing up for yourself and for everybody out there and standing up for yourself in such a dignified manner. You didn't like when somebody slapped her, she stood there shocked completely. She didn't say anything, hoping that the show is going to do something. And eventually, she spoke about it so well. Like she brought it
can I
up and
say
she
something?
spoke about it
Can I
so
say
well.
something about that moment, Sam? Because we
So
watched it, when we watched the replays, we watched all the replays. After she got hit, you can see her. She puts her hand forward, and you can see her pull back like that, and then back away.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
like her instinct was to retaliate, and then her brain just dialed it back and said, "No, this is not the right."
yeah.
You can see
I think it
that
was.
in the
I
slow
think that
motion
was.
because she gets
That's
hit like
definitely the.
this, and then her hand goes up like that, and her shoulder cocks, and then she backs away.
She stops. She stops. Yeah. Respect to that girl, man. Respect. A lot of respect. And also, favorite contestant, at least in the last, okay, post my season, with every season I watched, Arushi is definitely going to be one of my favorite contestants for sure. And I'm glad she's part of Team Nikhil.
And favorite leader.
Favorite leader is no more a leader. My favorite leader was always Ranvijay. He's no more a leader.
Yeah,
But
but
you know,
Ranvijay is the
But
Lewis
of course,
Hamilton
you are
of
the
roadies.
OG.
He's in a league of his
There is
own.
no comparison. You are the OG of MTV. You
Hey,
know
listen,
how this runs.
I actually referenced you in an incident that happened on roadies. There was that incident about where Arushi wrote auntie, and there was that flare up that happened, and I was trying to calm things down. And your incident in Bangalore had literally happened 2 or 3 days before that shoot. And
Wow.
when I was standing up for Arushi, I was saying, listen, what she's talking about is exactly what happened with Sam in Bangalore. She's standing up for people who gossip and who try and say, oh, wearing a short dress, oh, you're of a strange character, and I don't know why you're
Yeah,
hanging
all
out
of
with
that.
boys. Although that's what she's
And she
pointing
never
out.
absolutely, and she never made it sound like how Neha said it, right? There are a couple of there are times when I'm like, wow, like Neha, I have so much respect for Neha ma'am. And then there are times when she stands up for things that are, completely below her. Like she's not,
No, but
she just stands up because it's her kid. Like, my kid, मेरे बच्चे ने कुछ गलत कर दिया, so I will still stand up for her
and
till I can.
that's the thing. Neha sometimes ends up with people in her team that do things that are indefensible, but she has to try and defend them.
Of course, and
So
she did. I mean, she as a gang leader, what she had to do, she did. She protected her own till she saw that, and she
yeah.
said it very clearly that I haven't seen the slap, so I'm gonna protect her. And then when she did, she was like, okay, tada, bye bye, do whatever you feel like.
Okay, Sam, I'm going to say tata bye bye to you. I'm going to get
Yes,
Hamid and
please.
Kevin on.
I'm also going back to my room. I'm sitting here in the lobby. Bye bye. See you, Nikhil. Have
Bye,
a
bye,
great
bye,
day.
bye, Sam. Bye. It was lovely to chat with Sam and get her perspective on it as well. And let's try and get Hamid on. Hamid, the injured soldier, limping along at the boat out. We had a special crutch made for him. Actually, setting introduction, they quickly hammered together a danda और एक फट्टा जिसके ऊपर आपका हाथ था.
Hello,
What's up?
what's up? How are you?
I'm good, yaar. Let's get straight into it. What went through your mind when you saw all those votes come up? तेरे को तो पता ही होगा. You must have known that all the votes were going to go to
Very
Michael and
obvious. Not my, हाँ Arushi. Not even Michael, Arushi I guess. मेरे को लगा था सारे वोट आरुषि की तरफ ही आएंगे.
And then when you watch the episode where they voted against each other, actually we knew about it because we've spoken about this before.
Yeah. I knew about it and I guess कोई भी मैं भी होता वहाँ पे तो मैं यही करता cause I've said it 100 times कि loyalty is loyalty, okay, it's there. You have friends जो शो के बाद भी होंगे. बट जब आप पहली बार लाइन में खड़े हुए थे तब आपको कोई फ्रेंड नहीं था रोडीज में.
Correct.
You were alone.
And the friends that you make for life.
Exactly. तो अगर मैं भी वहां पे होता तो शायद मैं भी यही करता क्योंकि मेरे को अपना सर्वाइवल उस वक्त देखना है. एंड मैं वोट वेस्ट भी कर देता तो भी रिजल्ट वही होता.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think.
नहीं.
यार मुझे तो जैसे कि मैंने माइकल को भी बताया कि मेरी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये थी और व्हाट आई वाज मोस्ट स्कैर्ड ऑफ कि जब रन ने कहा कि पेयर अप हो जाना कि अगर वो दोनों पेयर अप हो गए, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ निशा एंड संजय सेड कि नहीं हमें एक साथ में खड़े होना है, फिर तो लग जाता.
100%.
Because Nisha could have done that. Sanjay could have done that. They could have said कि नहीं हमें तो इनके साथ ही खड़ा होना है. And when I said Michael pair up with Nisha, thank God Nisha said okay. Nisha also agreed.
क्योंकि उसको पता है ना कहीं ना कहीं सेफ रहती.
I think yeah, because you guys have also spoken about it. I think your relationship and Michael's relationship with other roadies is not problematic. Arushi I think has had a few more issues, and the reasons for that are too many to go into over here. But I think कि कहीं ना कहीं निशा को भी लग रहा था कि अगर मैं माइकल के साथ पेयर अप हो जाती हूँ तो मैं सेफ रहूँगा.
एंड आफ्टर प्रतिभा गोइंग तो बहुत ही क्लियर हो गया था कि तुमने हमारे दोस्त को निकाला है तो अब तो वोट तुम्हारे अगेंस्ट ही आएगा. एंड जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि व्हाई डिड वी प्लान, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट वी ट्राइड अ लॉट. बहुत लोगों को कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करी. वो एपिसोड में दिखा नहीं है, आरुषि वाज स्पीकिंग देयर, बट मैंने भी पिच मारी थी वहाँ पे यू नो व्हाट आई हैव परफॉर्म फॉर यू गाइस. मैंने तुम सबको इम्यूनिटी दिलाई है एंड हम साथ में जीते. तो प्लीज अगर मेरे दो दोस्त को तुम वोट ना करो तो हम आगे गेम में बढ़ सके. बट माइंडसेट बहुत क्लियर था बहुत शुरू से. लॉकडाउन में जो 6 महीने मिले थे ये बहुत क्लियर था कि कौन किसके साथ खेलने वाला है.
Crazy man, because I've slowly learned to respect Zabi also as a straight talker क्योंकि हमारी भी एक दो lives भी हुए हैं बीच में. And when Zabi said, firstly Zabi also stood up when Michael said, Zabi, when you talk, and he said that he found that the behavior was not very good or very disgusting or something he said for the slap. And then when I asked him, Zabi, are other people's hatred for one person greater than their love for you? He thought for half a second and he said, yes sir. I can't say. And yeah, man, it does feel like it's a very powerful sort of force aligned against team loyalty, Arushi,
Team loyalty,
Michael, whatever you want to call it.
That's the thing, sir. That's the thing. But Arushi, hats off to Arushi. एक तो मैंने आपको बोला मैं तो फैन हूँ उसका. जब भी वो बोलती है ना, she is just too good. And Arushi performer है and I'm sure कि वो बहुत अच्छा perform करेगी and she'll be back in the game. So fingers crossed.
यार मगर तू तो है नहीं परफॉर्म करने के लिए.
आ रहा है तू. ये वोट आउट में मतलब आप मेरी शक्ल देखते मैं बस चाह रहा था कि जल्द से जल्द ये शूट खत्म हो जाए. आई वाज इन पेन सर, बहुत गंदा.
I know because I was there and we got the MRI done. What was the report जो MRI का जो निकला था वहाँ पे?
थोड़ा लिगामेंट में लगा हुआ है, बट इट्स फाइन. थोड़ा एंड माय लेग वाज स्वोलन बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि उस पे बहुत लोड भी डल रहा था. एंड हम जब शूट कर रहे होते तो कितने घंटे हम खड़े रहते हैं, सो उसमें बहुत ही ज्यादा पेन हो रहा था मुझे. मैं कहा यार जल्दी वर्कआउट खत्म करो.
Prakhar actually made a point over here that this was not. I'll just read what he said. This is wrong. Sorry, not Prakhar. Prakruti Mishra Bey said this is wrong. The other team should have listened to Hamid. They should have returned his favor. Who did he speak to in the other team? कि यार आप मेरी वजह से जीते तो उनको वोट आउट मत करना.
एवरीवन, सब बैठे हुए थे. एवरीवन, स्पेशली आकाश बैठा हुआ था. एंड बहुत क्लियरली सबने देखा भी. ठीक है, हम सब साथ में खेले, बट अगर मैं एक भी बास्केट मिस कर देता तो हम हार चुके होते. एंड मैंने उनको यही पिच करी कि गाइज जो परफॉर्म कर रहा है ना उसको नहीं जाना चाहिए.
तो मगर हामिद शायद ये पेयरिंग की वजह से ये ज्यादा मुश्किल हो गया.
हाँ,
क्योंकि पेयरिंग की वजह से जो जिनके साथ आपने बात की, चाहे वो विपिन हो या चाहे आकाश हो, वो जयंत और अभिमन्यु के खिलाफ वोट नहीं डालेंगे, वो जबी के खिलाफ वोट नहीं डालेंगे, तो उनके लिए भी काफी मुश्किल हो गया.
पेयरिंग नहीं भी होती तो भी बहुत क्लियर था सर. मैं बता रहा हूँ ना आपको, नहीं है ऐसा. आपको अंदर की बात नहीं पता, बट मैं बहुत 6 महीने यही हुआ है. लोगों को पता है कि हमें क्या करना है गेम में.
Okay. We'll have to see what happens next because अभी भी सिचुएशन तो वही है कि जो आप 3 लोग हो, आरुषि, माइकल और आप, अगर आप परफॉर्म नहीं करोगे, अगर आपके पास इम्यूनिटी नहीं होगी तो
it's very difficult. It's very difficult.
And now your knee's busted.
Knees, exactly. That's the point. इसलिए मुझे सबसे ज्यादा डर इसलिए लगा हुआ है कि परफॉर्म कैसे करूंगा मैं.
And you know what people don't realize कि यहाँ पे एपिसोड तो हर एक हफ्ते में आता है ना.
वहाँ पे हर रोज चल रहा है.
शूट लगातार चल रहा है. Every day. So it's not like you got 1 week for your knee to heal. Your injury, ये जो वोट आउट आप देख रहे हो अभी, और जो बास्केटबॉल का टास्क एक हफ्ते पहले दिखाया गया था, ये तो 1.5 दिन में हुआ. Like the previous night, you came back from the hospital in the night, in the morning was the vote out. Crazy, man.
It was very difficult. And I would like to say Sanjay को लग रहा था ना कि उसके बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, बट उसको बाहर भेजते हुए लोगों को बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लग रहा था. तो आई गेस अब उसको पता चल गया होगा कि कौन उसके दोस्त हैं कौन नहीं है. और वीडीज भी आप देख ही रहे हो. वीडीज में भी अपूर्वा ने बहुत क्लियरली बोला कि संजय जा रहा है तो जाए, मुझे घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Yeah, I saw some of Apurva's VDs.
That's the thing. हम वैसे नहीं है.
It must be a bitter pill for Sanjay also to swallow, because I think Sanjay was trying to be liked by everyone, and I think he suddenly realized now that, with Pratibha gone, who was his closest support, and Pratibha, Apurva, and he were a group of 3, and Apurva said ki doesn't make any difference to me, bye bye. So he must be feeling quite sort of upset and alone.
एंड आप आजकल फुल पावर बढ़िया जोक मारने लग गए हो. देख रहा हूँ मैं अभी. आपने आरुषि को बोला कि वो नारियल नहीं फोड़ा, जोक मार रहे हो. बढ़िया जो सिखाया मैंने आपको.
क्या आरुषि से क्या कहा मैंने?
मैं कह रहा हूँ आजकल बढ़िया जोक मार रहे हो जो मैंने आपको सिखाए सारे.
कौन से वाले क्या जोक मारा मैंने? गुरुजी, आपके चरण छू के सीख रहा हूँ सब कुछ. बताइए.
क्रेजी पिक्चर. अरे एक तो दैट डे जब आपने पिक्चर अपलोड करी कि आकाश और अपूर्वा वाली, कि देख अभी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हामिद को 100 के. That was crazy.
The thing is, some of those photographs that Tejaswini has taken, they speak for themselves. I don't have to think. वो automatically दिमाग में आ जाता है जो भी वो लिखता हूँ वहाँ पे. और आपका भी जो फोटो हाथ ऊपर, जैसे कोई टीचर पूछा ना कि कल का होमवर्क किसने नहीं किया, हाथ ऊपर.
एंड उसमें आप उसमें मेरी शक्ल देखो. I was so sad.
I know. You got your hand up. So, yeah, I'll keep trying to come up with some more creative.
Too good. जो सिखाया बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो. Good.
Thank you, गुरुजी. Thank you. आप ही से सीखा. Thank you. अभी इसके बाद आपसे रील बनाना सीखूंगा.
हाँ ठीक है डन
Okay, listen, I'm going to say bye because I think
Bye.
Kevin's
Take
waiting
care.
and I really want to have a bit of a chat with him. Take
Okay.
it easy. And
Bye, take care. See you soon.
game के हिसाब से मैं कहूँगा कि get well soon, get your knee working soon so you can start competing again. Life के हिसाब
Right.
से कहूँगा कि thank you so much for making that video for Doomed
Arey,
and
sir,
for
thank
Plasma
you.
Donors.
Arey, sir, it's okay.
That was very nice. And
I
मिलेंगे
for an
अगले हफ्ते when I will have the 4-way screen. Then we'll have a proper chat.
वो नहीं होने वाला आपसे मुझे नहीं लगता
वो होगा अगले हफ्ते मिल रहा है मेरे को सबको मिल रहा है
चलो देखते हैं ओके बाय
Okay, see you bye. That was Hamid. We need to get the Pune Gangsta. Pune Gangsta, where are you? Where is the Pune Gangsta? Hopefully he's got a stable internet connection and he's got more than 6% battery. Pune Gangster, I hope you've got more than 6% battery, man, because it'll just be like people are blowing hearts to Hamid. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
How's it hanging, my brother? Where you off to?
It is good. I can't see you. Like,
Can't see me.
you're still buffering. No, you're still buffering for me.
It is not my internet because
Okay, now, great. I can see you
good.
now.
Don't move.
It's always like this. I don't know. Every time I come live with you, it's just, it keeps buffering. How are you?
I'm okay. Are you in your car?
Yes, I am. I was actually going out. It's my friend's birthday, so I can't stay long because they're literally waiting for me. All of them.
Oh. Sorry.
But
Quickly, thoughts on the episode.
whatever happened, it was sad. Yes, Samyukta, Sam. I'm just calling her Sam. Yeah, she was right. It was heartbreaking to see, but at the end of the day, it's a game, and everybody's there to win. And whatever we talk about, team loyalty, that is for life. We don't talk shit about each other, unlike other people. That's why we are loyal to each other. And it's not just among us. So it's not just among the contestants. We're also loyal to our leader. We don't keep switching up. We're just with one person. That's why it's called team loyalty. Because, okay, we came up with the name when Pratibha wasn't loyal to her leaders and other contestants were not loyal to any leader or themselves. That's when we came up with the name. That's why it's team loyalty. It's mainly for the leader. But all of us, we're all still competing. Like, I'm so out. Our is extra loyal. I'm out. Not everybody's me. But, it's still a game. Like, everybody has to play their game. Because they're all trying to survive. And that was the smartest choice. Like, honestly saying, the majority is that side. So them voting for Zabi, that wouldn't change anything. That'd be the same thing. So what Arushi and Michael did, they were both scared, yeah, because they're trying to survive. At the end of the day, they're all trying to survive. So, you know,
No,
that's all. Yeah.
My review's already up, and I've written exactly that in my review.
I know. I read it. It was pretty good.
It's survival. I mean, if you and I'm not saying I'm going to get into a ring and kind of, get into an MMA game with you, but if you and I got into a ring to play a game of chess, I want to beat your ass. If there's a competition between you and me, and that's essentially what this vote-out was. This vote-out was very clearly a two-way fight.
Yeah.
The votes were not going to go anywhere else.
Yeah. What they should have done is they should have tried to talk to everybody. I don't think they were. Hamid won.
Man,
They're all the other people are just trying to get rid of the people that perform so that they can win because they can't perform.
Go watch the boot clip where Arushi's talking to everybody and everybody's like, do we really need to listen to this? That's one. And Hamid actually asked the people that he competed with and got immunity for to not vote for them. But then the choices were that they would have to vote against their closest friends, which is Abhimanyu and Jayant and Zabi, which I don't think they were willing to do. Why would they do that? Because they were going
Right.
to be
No,
loyal.
I mean,
Right?
after they take us out, then it's just them. They have to take each other out at the end.
Eventually, but for
So,
now, everybody's being loyal to the friends that they're with.
because they have that option. These people didn't have that option. They didn't have that choice. They couldn't. It was just not there.
Somebody's
Anyway,
asking
yeah.
why didn't the star option come up? It never comes up for team loyalty. Well, we don't know what's going to happen next week. Maybe it'll come up next week. Maybe it'll come up some other time. We don't know. We've never had
Yeah.
that situation because, let me say it this way, team loyalty has never needed a star before.
Exactly. All right. I have to go. It was nice
Take it
talking
easy,
to you.
man. Have fun. Wear a mask.
Thank you for having me. Obviously, I just took it off so that I can talk to you in the car with me.
Okay.
If you're alone, I'm all. Okay, wait. I have two of them. Just to be extra safe. I got one here, and then I got the other one here.
Don't wear both at the same time. It kind of defeats the purpose. You're going to choke
No
yourself.
one can tell, but I can't breathe. All right. So, nice talking to
Take it
you.
easy, man.
See you soon. Bye.
So that was Kevin, Michael, Hamid, and Samyukta Hegde came on as well, along with Arushi. And somebody's asking, what happened to Sam? Nothing happened to Sam. Sam just made a point that it was heartbreaking to see Michael and Arushi vote against each other. But she understands it's a game, and you got to do what you got to do to survive. And I'm sitting here in the corner sweating bullets, so I'm gonna say bye-bye, unless we can quickly get who wants to come online. Who wants to come online? Let's just get a quick word from our doctor friend who's strumming his guitar.
Bond है साथ में, तो I'm just very worried about her, to be very specific, because she's a performer. Let's see क्या होता है. And since Hamid को भी injury है, तो I'm just hoping कि उसको best team मिले, and बस वो वापस आ जाए कैसे भी.